G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today's April 13, 2023. This is the US crude oil price update. The daily CCI 1500 is still showing a downtrend with its moving average 400, whereas the 4-hour and the 1-hour charts are in an upswing with their moving average CCIs. Now, you could trade the hourly based on the 4-hourly, but just be careful because we're still in a downtrend according to the daily chart. If we zoom in on these individually, you can see there on the daily chart, I've drawn this diagonal trend line, and it actually broke up through that in the last few days, and it actually consolidated below this resistance line at 81.70. Now it actually broke to above that resistance, and it's creating this currently a minor resistance at 83.40, and that'll confirm in the coming hours if that'll be the major resistance, in which case I'll move that solid line to that dotted line area. But at the moment, we're still in a downtrend on the CCI, so carefully going long only based on the hourly and the 4-hourly. So look at the 4-hour time frame in more detail. Now I did draw a line, a Fibonacci retracement from that high in November 22 to the more recent low in March 23. Now you'll notice it's broken up, as well as breaking up through that resistance area, it's also broken up through our 61% Fibonacci retracement, which is a key pivot point in terms of trend continuation or trend correction. In this case, it wasn't a downtrend, and this may be a correction and moving to the upside, so it may be changing trend as we see it. So again, that'll confirm in the coming hours that new resistance area. If it breaks above that, then further bullish signals will arise. On the hour chart, again, just more zooming in on it more carefully, you can see the CCI moving average 400 is still in a pretty strong uptrend, but again, just be mindful of those resistance areas. So at the moment, cautiously going long, but again, just be careful of that resistance. We may see a bit of a bounce to the downside if this daily doesn't correct and go to the upside and move upwards as we see the daily, the 4-hourly and the hour charts progressing. To understand how to properly trade using the average down approach, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe and like the channel on Patreon, and see you in a future video.